Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to create unlimited numbers of Gmail accounts. But please do not forget to leave a like and subscribe to this channel. So let's start. So on your browser, just type in Google Cloud Skill Boost. Google Cloud Skills Boost and hit enter. You just have to click this first one here and it will direct you to this page. Now click sign in. You can sign in with your Google account or just enter your email password or create a new account. Just select I agree and verify that you're not a robot. You can read all of this, hit I'm not a robot and just hit on I accept. Just answer this one and hit verify. Now we've created our account and just go to the Explorer section. Scroll down till you find format and just expand it. Please check lab and just go to this a tour of Google Cloud Hands-on Labs, or if you cannot find that, then you can search it up because there's a search button up there. From here, we can start creating our unlimited Gmail account. So there's a start lab up here and there's 45 minutes, which is the only time that you can get that Gmail account. So let's hit on start lab, but you have to verify your identity as well. And then from here, it will start giving you the username, password, and project ID. So just log in this account. Or you can also make a file where you can copy and paste all of the information, details of the Gmail account that you'll be getting. So we just have to log in that account that given for us. Now, if you want to generate again, just end this lab and then start again the lab. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.